Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find wallet address on Binance app. For that you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to just log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you need to tap on the option of spot in the top. Once I've done that, you are going to see this deposit tab in the top. So I simply need to tap on deposit, and once you do this, you are going to see all of the cryptos that are available on Binance and the cryptos that you can deposit on Binance. So among the given cryptos, you just have to select that particular crypto, the wallet address of which you want to get. Here you need to remember that each and every coin has a different wallet address, so you need to make sure that you have selected the particular coin and you have selected the right wallet address associated with that particular crypto. So for this video, let's say I want to find the wallet address of 1-inch coin. So I'll simply click on 1-inch coin and then it will ask me to select a network. So it has shown me this type of pop-up in the bottom where it is asking me to choose the network from the given options. So you just have to select that particular network through which you are depositing your money on Binance. So if you are depositing via PEP20 or BNB Smart Chain, then you will have to select BNB. But if you are receiving your crypto via Ethereum or ERC20, then you will have to select ERC20 address. Now for this video, I'm going to select it as BNB Smart Chain, and once you have selected the right network, you are going to see the deposit address. So if you want to copy this deposit address, then you will have to tap on the copy button right next to it, and once it is copied successfully, you can use it to deposit cryptos in your Binance app. If you want to find the wallet address of some other coin, so let me just select any other coin, and then again you will have to choose a network and it will show you the deposit address. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.